So since 1947, MODIG family has provided the world with high-class machining technology, and a lot of that honestly takes place with a lot of Swedish ingenuity, Swedish steel and cast iron, and those are really the backbone and the key components of who we are and what we provide to our customers. So all of our machine technology and machining solutions are actually assembled and fabricated in Sweden. And it's nice having all of the technology coming from the homeland as it's built, designed, and tested here before it's shipped around the world. When we first introduced the RigiMill, a lot of people had a hard time understanding that we were going to be able to perform at the level that we said we would perform. In the end, our customers who have the RigiMill in their factory are capable of outperforming our expectations and have surpassed the time studies that we provided them. That's a huge benefit for them.